Food safety first. Essential hygiene guidelines for food industry premises. Keeping food industry premises safe and hygienic is not just a best practice, whereas it's a legal and ethical necessity. Welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted channel for everything related to food safety, governance, and consumer rights. Today's episode focuses on safety and hygiene guidelines and maintenance for food industry premises, a topic crucial for food business operators and customers alike. Why hygiene in food premises matters. In the food industry, hygiene isn't optional. It's a mandatory practice that protects both consumers and businesses. Contaminated food can lead to foodborne illnesses, loss of trust, legal consequences, and even business shutdowns. Therefore, proper hygiene and maintenance aren't just good practice, they're essential. Before we dive into the main topic, please comment, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to boost us to work more, as it matters a lot for us. Now we talk about the infrastructure and layout of food premises must be designed to minimize contamination risks. Floors should be non-slip, easy to clean, and drainable. Walls and ceilings must be smooth and washable to prevent molds. Adequate ventilation systems should be in place to reduce humidity and odors. Separate areas must be designated for raw and cooked food processing. Remember, the layout should follow a forward flow from raw material to the final product without cross-contamination. Cleaning protocols. Effective cleaning schedules should be clearly documented. Daily, clean workstations, floors, cutting boards, and utensils after every use. Weekly, deep clean storage units, freezers, and less accessible areas. Monthly, conduct a full sanitation of the entire facility, including ceilings, exhausts, and drainage systems. Use only food-grade cleaning chemicals and store them away from food processing areas. Staff hygiene. Employees are the first line of defense in maintaining food hygiene. Uniforms must be clean, preferably color-coded to different roles. Hairnets, gloves, and masks should be worn at all times. Regular hand washing with antibacterial soap is a must, especially after using the washroom or handling raw food. Anyone with symptoms of illness should not be allowed in food handling zones. Training should be provided regularly to reinforce hygiene. STA equipment and utensil maintenance. Unclean or poorly maintained equipment can lead to bacterial growth and contamination. Clean utensils and machines after every shift. Disassemble complex equipment weekly for deep cleaning. Sanitize food contact surfaces regularly using approved disinfectants. Calibrate machines like ovens, thermometers, and freezers to ensure accuracy. Regular preventive maintenance should be scheduled to avoid equipment breakdowns during peak hour. Pest control and waste management. A single pest sighting can destroy a food business's reputation. Install insect screens on windows and doors. Seal all gaps and potential entry points. Use approved pest control services regularly. Keep garbage bins covered and emptied daily. Maintain separate bins for organic and inorganic waste. Garbage areas must be cleaned and sanitized regularly to prevent breeding of flies and rodent. FSSAI guidelines and documentation. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, mandates hygiene audits for all food businesses. Maintain records of cleaning schedules, pest control logs, and staff training. Display FSSAI license prominently on the premises. Conduct internal audits monthly and correct deficiencies immediately. Be prepared for surprise inspections by food safety officers. Staying compliant not only avoids penalties but builds consumer trust. Regular audits and continuous improvement. Improving hygiene is an ongoing process. Conduct self-assessments using checklists. Take feedback from staff and customers. Invest in the latest technology like sensor-based dispensers or AI-driven monitoring. Update protocols based on new regulations or incidents. Motto is cleaner today, safer tomorrow. Whether you're running a small cafe or a large-scale food factory, maintaining safety and hygiene standards is not just about compliance, it's about commitment to your customers. Stay alert, stay clean, and stay responsible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times for more such updates. If you have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic, drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and informed.